guys, this morning I'm going to be making Jamaican Easter bun. So it's that time of year where if you're Jamaican, this is what you eat with cheese. So usually I buy mine, but this year I've been looking at a lot of videos online that show you how to make Jamaican Easter bun. And so I'm going to try my very own Easter bun this morning. Online I noticed that some people use yeast to make their Easter bun. Some people use baking powder. I'm going to be using baking powder this morning. Margarine or butter. Some people use margarine, some people use butter. Mixed spice, allspice, pumpkin pie spice. I'm using this as my own little twist on the recipe. Most people say bun spice, but I couldn't find bun spice, so that's why I'm using pumpkin pie spice. And I'm going to just use a little bit so it won't really be overpowering. Browning for the color, because you know Jamaican Easter bun has a nice dark deep brown color. Vanilla, I have different types of vanilla. I'm going to use this brown vanilla this morning. Jam, I've seen some videos say it's okay to use strawberry jam if you don't have guava jam. I have lots of guava jam, so I'm going to use some of this guava jam. Cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder. I like to use fresh nutmeg because I just like the flavor when it is freshly grounded. So I'm going to be actually using some of this nutmeg that I'm going to grate into the mixture. Dragon stout. Some people use Guinness as well, and I think both of them should be okay. I have dragon stout, so I'm going to use dragon stout. Honey, brown sugar, flour, all-purpose or counter flour. I'm using this unbleached variety because this is the one that I've grown to love. 2 eggs, salt, and some fruits. I have lots of fruits soaking, so I'm going to use some of those, and those are soaking in wine and a rum mixture. All right, so stay tuned for this Jamaican Easter bun.